Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is sort of a hack, I guess. I actually got the idea from Christina Couture Nails on YouTube. I watched her video, I seen her video, and I thought that's bloody awesome. So go check out her channel. She is one of my favorite YouTubers, and she does so many different hacks. It's amazing. But yes, if you read the title, we are doing a making pigments out of chalk, drawing chalk. I don't know if there's another word for it. It says in the box pastels. So anyway, what you're seeing me do right now is, because I already have nails on, bear in mind my index fingernail pops off during this video, but it's because I put a peely base coat down, so that's why it popped off so easily. So because I have nails on though, I thought I'll just do it on tips as like a demo, and I will use this method in another video because I love pigments. I think they're really great, and it's easy to apply if you're not very good at like nail polish and stuff like that, or gel. This is the hack for you. So I basically painted the nails over with white gel polish and I cured for 60 seconds. And these are the pastel drawing chalks that I bought on Amazon. I will link down below if you want me to, guys. Just ask. Yeah, there's my nail popping off. It was out of here. So it comes pretty decently packaged. It did have like a plastic wrap around it as well, but I took that off camera because I didn't think you needed to see me take that off. It comes with 64 pieces, and there's some really, really lush colours in this. I couldn't decide. I actually paused the video to decide, but I went for a neon orange and not a dark blue, but not a bright blue. I wanted like a difference, like of bright to darker, if that makes sense. I guess it is pretty dark actually, looking at it now. So yes, they're only small chalks, but you don't actually need that much, surprisingly. So I just got my nail file. You can use any nail file, and I basically just rubbed it on the side and caught it onto a piece of kitchen roll. That's it. It's so easy, guys. I was like, wow, why haven't I done this sooner? So yeah, I do this for the orange, and I also do this for the blue, and then I pop them into little pots I got on my Amazon haul about a week ago, I think it was, or 2 weeks ago. I can't remember when I put that video up now, and I don't know when this one will go up because I have a few other videos that are going to go up this week. So we will see when this one pops up. So yeah, I didn't even use much of the chalk. I think I used half. Look how much powder there is. You can't get the powder completely off the file, but that's fine. I'll just use this file now as my chalk filing file. So these are the pots. And then once I'd done this, I took those two nails that I'd painted back out of the lamp, and they had a sticky tacky layer on, and I just used a makeup brush from one of my old makeup brush kits that I've had for years, I think 10 years now. I think they were off Amazon. I don't know, my mum bought them for me for like Christmas or my birthday years ago. So yeah, I just used a makeup brush and I just dabbed it into the pot. You'll see I've recorded it anyway. And then I just brushed it onto the sticky tacky layer, and it worked really well. And then I put Model 1's top coat on it. So yeah, this is a brilliant hack, and it's, because you get so much chalk, it's super cheap. So yeah, I can't complain. So yeah, thank you, Christina Couture, for that. That was the best. Yeah. This is a brilliant idea, and I'm so happy that I found your channel and found it, because this is great. So you can save loads of money, and I think these chalk packs, you can get them from like £10 to something like £15, and this is the 64 colour. If you bought a smaller amount of colours, like a 32 pack, it'd be cheaper again. So it really isn't that much money, and like, yeah, this is just a brilliant hack, guys. I done like a half and half ombre, like a vertical ombre, and then I done a horizontal ombre. The horizontal ombre didn't go to plan, but it's because the orange is so light and the blue is so dark. But they actually mixed together on the tissue paper and it turned purple. So there's another hack for you by accident. You can also mix these and make your own colour. You could probably even add these to clear acrylic and make your own like coloured acrylic. There is oil in them, I think, though, a little bit of oil. I can't tell you 100% because they're from China, so there's a lot of Chinese writing on it. So I can't be 100% on that. But yeah, this is brilliant. Oh look, and I made a little smiley face. That's how happy I was. So yeah, I top coated, I cured again for 60 seconds, and that was basically it, guys. So I'm gonna just let you watch me mess around and play a little bit now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this hack helps you out. If it does, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out Christina Couture's YouTube account as well, because that is where I got the idea from. So give her your props, So yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna love and leave you. So keep smiling, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Sorry.